Hi, good evening. My name is Kelly Mayer, and I prefer to be called Kelly. And I currently work at the University of Kansas Health System. I work in quality and safety, and I'm a quality outcomes coordinator, which involves a data registry. Right now, I'm in the bariatric data registry, assisting our hospital to become a center of excellence. So, what that entails is taking all of our bariatric surgeries and downloading them and getting all their information as to how they are getting along with all their follow-ups 30 days, 6 months, a year, and then every year after. And then we do semi-annual reports to see how we're doing benchmarking against the other hospitals. It's been very interesting. It's a completely new job for me. Before this, I worked many years in pre-op and PACU and also at Children's doing the same, and other various urgent care clinics. So I have a lot of different experiences. I have also, in the last 7 months, when the pandemic started, our team pretty much broke into smaller teams helping with employee support for COVID with our coworkers, patients coming in to have surgery, and involved with quarantining and tracers. And it's been a very interesting last 7 months for sure, and I've learned a lot. And it's even helped me more in my skills getting into getting into charts and following up. I am not quite halfway through my journey with getting my master's in quality management. I have another year of online classes, and then, of course, my practicum. But I can say that the last year has really gone by very quickly, for sure. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to end up doing after I obtain my master's. I've just come kind of doing this as a challenge for myself, and it's been really interesting, and I've learned a lot. And I just really don't know where I'm going to go after I attain it. So we'll see. And what else can I tell you about myself? I really want to learn where risk management came from, and I also want to learn how much it's really evolved in the last 10 to 15 years, because I think things have changed definitely. Whenever you hear about having to fill out an incident report, it was always kind of a scary issue. So I'm just kind of want to see where risk management has been and where it's going in the future. So anyway, I look forward to reading all your posts and getting to know you all in class. And take care and have a good night. Thanks.